EM16 Package Demo Video. Exquisite set storage box. Rich display of accessories. First, demonstrate the installation of the main control battery. Unscrew the screws on the battery compartment of the main control box. Open the battery compartment. Install the battery into the battery compartment. Install the battery in the correct direction. Then install the battery compartment into the main control box. Tighten the screws to complete the installation. Turn on the power switch of the main control box. The motor will start running normally. The main control switch can switch between forward and reverse directions. Use imagination, any combination, expand thinking and cultivate hands-on skills. A set of building blocks can be pieced together to create over 50 different styles. Download and open the app. There are various different sets of apps available. Open the corresponding package to check at any time. Assembly instructions for all modular shapes that can be assembled in the set. EM16 Package Demo Video.